Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on allstate.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in allstate.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Allstate website. Now if you don't already have an account, click on the login button at the top right corner, which will open up the login portal. Now from within the login portal, click on register new account underneath the login button and you will be taken into the registration page. Just tap on the individual or business account whichever you wish to create and you will be asked to fill up your credentials. Start by typing in your first and your last name and then type in your email address. You will also be asked to enter your phone number, however this is optional. Then click on continue to proceed with verifying your identity. You will then need to select whether you have an Allstate policy or claim. Click on whichever option is applicable to you, and if you don't have either, make sure you choose the last option. If you choose the last option, you will be asked to enter your phone number. Just enter your phone number and then click on the continue button and you will be allowed to create your login credentials. Just type in your preferred user ID followed by your account password that you wish to select, and then once you click on the next button, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone or your email address. So check your inbox or your SMS and you will find your verification code. Simply enter this verification code within the next screen and proceed forward, and now your account will be officially created. You can now use your newly created credentials in order to log in to your new account on allstate.com. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on allstate.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.